Do it to me every time. Oh, the bacon says you love adopted, and I'm trying, Joshy, but you won't chat, won't friend, won't adopt me. I'm the epitome, a stupid baby. Why you wanna go and play me like that? Act like a mom but disown me. I'm a noob like you, so please, hello, I'm here and I'm waiting. I think you should adopt me, and you could be my dad. I asked you to play freaking Meep City. You said you never played before. How cool is that? So I went to your page and checked out what you're playing. 100 hours non-stop playing Escape from Mexico. And then my heart stopped. 50 hours of Bloxburg. Fall in love all over again. I'm a noob like you, so please, hello, I'm here and I'm waiting. I think you should adopt me, and you could be my mom. How stupid is it? You won't adopt me. I gotta yell about it and make a record of my How stupid is it? Won't you just adopt me? Just come up to me and click adopt. How stupid is it? For all I know you wanted to, and maybe you just don't know what to do. Or maybe you're scared to click adopt a noob. It's just so much harder to say. This is like attempt 7. I'm actually gonna go and say it, man. We got this though. I wish I could get adopted by you, 'cause I think we'd make a family, and you would keep my diapers clean. But that's just a stupid dream that I won't realize, 'cause I can't even sing it all without crying, and I ain't lying. I'll be your baby if you'll be my daddy. I'm a noob like you, so please, hello, I'm here and I'm waiting. I think you should adopt me, and you could be my mom. Please just adopt me. Please just adopt me. Please just and I'm waiting. I think I'd be good for you, and you could be Mama Josh. I'm never doing a Wheezer song again. Fuck these guys. I hate Wheezer now.
Ah, shit, I forgot the drum solo.